My home is a sanctuary. You know, did you just laugh? From the initial concept stage through to creating the full collection, the process was just really fun, and working really closely with the team at Harlequin to look at the capabilities of certain mills, different weaves, different cloths, different fabrication bases that we could work within. And then from there we started to develop those with our own prints and with our own customised and signature patterns. It's so important for me that my home feels like a place of sanctuary and a place of calm. I feel very passionate that my home should be a true reflection of myself and my husband and our personalities. You know, my day-to-day work and what I work on mostly is ceramics, but then being able to see that same look and feel interpreted through woven fabrics and textures. It's a real thrill to see your work being reinterpreted and looked at from a different perspective